I was really stuck in trying to get my drone business off the ground. I didn't really know where to start. I do have a little bit of experience flying a drone, but trying to get clients, trying to understand the marketplace and what verticals to focus on was why I decided to join. And so far, it's been fantastic. A lot of great information about marketing and the fact that this business is a lot more than just flying drones. Obviously, that's an important part of it, but I can see now the bigger picture of where I can go with this, and I'm very excited about it. I was looking to get into the drone business, but really didn't have the um, guts to go ahead with it. And I thought that this would be a great way to give me the confidence to move forward. And the information that Damon and Diego have given in the last couple of days has been fantastic, and I think that I'm definitely equipped now to go ahead and just take that leap of faith and start the business going. So I definitely would sign up for this again. I think that you should sign up for it. It's worth every penny of the investment, and you'll be surrounded by people who are in the same boat as you. They're, a little bit nervous. They're not sure what to do, and these guys really bring things together, and it's been a great experience.